Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a new lesson and it's a question word, kailan, or in English, when. So we're going to use it in a sentence and we're also going to answer kailan questions. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first question is when is your birthday? So in Filipino, it's kailan, so that's when, ang kaarawan mo. Kailan ang kaarawan mo? So when is kailan, birthday is kaarawan in Filipino, and then the possessive pronoun your or mo. Okay, and then the reason we have here ang, it's because our topic or we're talking about kaarawan, in English, birthday, and kaarawan is a common noun. Okay, so kailan ang kaarawan mo? When is your birthday? But in casual conversations, or this is commonly used, we just say, kailan ang birthday mo? We say it in Taglish. So it's more common to say birthday than kaarawan. Okay, so it's either you say kailan ang kaarawan mo or informal, you can just say kailan ang birthday mo. And to answer that question, so my birthday is on October 25th. So in Filipino, this is how it looks like. Ang kaarawan ko ay sa ika-25 ng Oktubre. So I follow the English sentence pattern. I started with the subject, ang kaarawan ko ay. So in English, the translation is my birthday is, and then on is sa, October 25th is 25 ng Oktubre. So usually this is commonly used in formal writing, but in casual conversations, we don't say it in Filipino. We just say it in English. So we can say sa October 25th. That is the simpler way to answer my birthday is on October 25th. So you just say sa October 25th. So this is the complete sentence. Sa October 25th ang kaarawan ko. So this is more casual. Yeah, so you can either say sa October 25th or you can complete the sentence by saying sa October 25th ang kaarawan ko. So another question using kailan or when is your vacation? Okay, so when is kailan ang bakasyon mo? So again, we're using ang because vacation or bakasyon is a common noun. So kailan ang bakasyon mo? Okay, and then to answer this, my vacation is on May 10th. Okay, so the formal way is ang bakasyon ko ay sa ika-10 ng Mayo. By the way, the ika, it means the th. So the ranking, so 10 is 10. So if we're going to change it to 10th, then we'll be adding ika before the number. So for example, 1 is isa. So first, we're gonna say ika-isa ng Mayo. Okay? And then the more casual way is we can just say sa May 10th. Or you can complete the sentence by saying sa May 10th or sa May 10 ang bakasyon ko. So the second sentence is more common in conversation. So next is using kailan or when with a verb. So when are you going to the market? So we have the verb here going, which is future tense. When are you going to the market? So not yet completed action. So this is how we say it in Filipino. Kailan, so that's when. Ka is you. Going to, or the future tense will go, we can also change it to will go, is pupunta to the market. So to is sa, the preposition sa, and then market is palengke. So kailan ka pupunta sa palengke? Okay, so the question first, and then the pronoun. So if we're using ka, you, or he, she, siya, so the pronoun first, and then the verb, which is pupunta, and then the object if there is, but this sentence doesn't have an object, and then location or the place. So here, sa palengke, and then if we have a time. So for example, yeah, there's a time marker, so we put it at the end. And so, kailan ka pupunta sa palengke? When are you going to the market? Okay, so sample answer is I will go to the market tomorrow. So for answering this, we're following the pattern verb, actor or the subject, object if there is, and then location or time. Okay, so the verb is will go, which is pupunta. The subject or the doer of the action is I or ako. And then we don't have an object. We have a location or place, which is to the market, sa palengke. And then time is tomorrow or bukas. So it's here. Pupunta ako sa palengke bukas. So this is a complete sentence, or casual conversations, you can just answer by saying bukas, tomorrow. If you like our lesson, you can like, subscribe, or hit the notification bell. Thank you. Salamat.